Lesson 17, Our Planet. It's quiz time. Page 104. Task 2. Listen to the quiz. True or false?
Welcome back to our quiz show. What a wonderful world. In the final round, we have only 2 contestants left, Sarah and Nigel. If you're ready, let's start. Our first question, what is the largest ocean?
The Pacific.
Well done. Now the second question. What is the longest river on Earth?
The Amazon?
Sorry, the answer is wrong. It's the Nile. And now the third question. Which is the biggest country in the world?
I think it's Russia. Yes, I'm sure it's Russia.
And the answer is correct.
Lesson 17, Our Planet. Page 107. Countries and languages. Task B. Listen and match.
France, French. China, Chinese. Japan, Japanese. Germany, German. Spain, Spanish. Portugal, Portuguese. Russia, Russian. Italy, Italian. Greece, Greek. The Legend of King Arthur. Listen.
Once upon a time, there lived a king called Pendragon. He fell in love with the wife of a noble knight. He killed the knight and married his wife. They had a baby son, Arthur. Pendragon was afraid for his son's life and gave the baby to Merlin, the wizard. Merlin knew that Arthur was in danger and sent him to a friend. He told his friend that Arthur was an orphan. After a few years, Pendragon died. The nobles fought each other. Everybody wanted to be king. Finally, they decided to have a meeting and choose a new king. Merlin was a wise man. He put a sword into a stone and wrote a message. "The person who pulls out the sword is the real King of England." Arthur and his friend Kay went to a tournament to London. Kay forgot his sword and asked Arthur to go back and bring it to him. On his way back,
Module 5. Famous People and Stories from the Past. Lesson 1. Famous People from the Past.
Page 75, Task I.
Now listen to the text about Marco Polo.
Marco Polo was born in Venice. Marco Polo was born in 1254. He was an Italian merchant. He traveled to China with his father and uncle. His father's name was Niccolo. He traveled on the Silk Road.
Unit 6. Listen again. Draw a food pyramid in your notebook and write the names of
important food groups.
Them too much and too often. I can't help it. I hate vegetables and fruit.
Jonathan.
My parents put me in a boarding school because they work as lighthouse. My mom did homeschooling because, well, there are no schools on lighthouses.
Unit 1, page 16.
Lesson 4. School subjects and timetables.
Listening 1. Listen to the class teacher giving pupils their timetable for this year. Tick the subjects the class teacher mentions. Put a cross next to the subjects the class teacher doesn't mention.
Okay, settle down. Now, I'm going to give you your timetable for this year. Marcus, stop talking to Sarah and listen. Right. On Monday, your classes start at 9 a.m. and you have a double lesson of English first. Then at 10:30, you have a 15-minute break. History starts at 10:45 and then Information and Communication Technology.